LinkedIn allows you to create newsletters, and it is a very interesting feature if you are an active content creator on LinkedIn. Why? Because newsletters will allow you to reach your most loyal audience with more extensive content. In today's video, I explain the requirements to create them, how to activate this feature and its main advantages and disadvantages. I'm Xavier Majana, and you are in my channel, Build Your Brand. Recently, LinkedIn has almost completely freed up the sending of newsletters through its platform. However, there are some requirements we must meet. First of all, you must have an audience base of at least 150 contacts or followers. It also asks us to have been an active user recently when sharing content on LinkedIn. And, finally, to have a good track record on LinkedIn. And one last very important detail, to have the content creator mode activated. If you don't know how to activate it or you want to know more about this mode before doing it, you can watch the video where I talk about it. I leave the link above. When you meet all the requirements, you can activate the newsletter as I will explain now. If we meet all the requirements I have mentioned, creating a newsletter is very simple. We simply have to enter our LinkedIn profile and, in the section to create a new publication, click on Writing Article. Select our personal profile and enter the interface to write articles. If we meet all the requirements, we will see that next to the Publish option appears the option to create a newsletter. So, after writing our article, we could hit Create Newsletter. To do this, we should enter the title of the newsletter, its frequency of publication, a short description, and click on Done. Once our newsletter is configured, the only thing we will have to do for LinkedIn to send a notification to all our contacts telling them that we have started a new newsletter is to create our first article that we want to share via newsletter. And this is just what I have done now. I have set up my newsletter and prepared my first article. If you find this tutorial useful, I invite you to take a look at the rest of my channel, which is full of small tutorials that will help you improve your online presence and boost your digital marketing strategy. And if you see that the content interests you and is useful, don't hesitate, subscribe. As you can see, it is done exactly the same as when we write an article with the LinkedIn editor. And the only thing we have done differently is that when we publish it, next to the Publish button, we will have the option to choose the newsletter. My newsletter will be called Content for Marketing. Or create a normal article that would not be shared through the newsletter. Well, once we have written the article, all we have to do is publish this first article that will be part of our newsletter, and LinkedIn will automatically invite all our contacts to subscribe. At this point, is it worth sending a newsletter via LinkedIn? By the way, remember that if you are just starting out on LinkedIn, you can download my free guide to optimize your profile. Well, the truth is that it depends. Do you think you can generate a sufficiently large list of subscribers to make up for the effort of committing to sending a newsletter with a specific frequency? If the answer is yes, go ahead. If the answer is no, think again. It may be a better option to wait until your LinkedIn audience grows before going for this format. Don't miss my next video. Your support is essential. If you found this video useful, interesting, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also follow me on my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.